Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies coming to you on a Tuesday, but it is the 1st of September and I am super excited to be here to share with you guys our brand new collection that we are launching in our September subscription boxes. Last month we had the pandemic preparedness kit, which was amazing. But this kit, this subscription box for this month. Oh, hey, thanks for saying hi. You know what? I usually start out by doing that. So if you're watching me live, always like, comment, share these videos. We really appreciate it. So thanks for saying hi. Keep those comments rolling in. I do appreciate it. And so last month in our subscription boxes, we had our pandemic preparedness kit, which was huge. Everyone loved our pandemic preparedness kit. But this month, I feel like we have another really cool collection that we're going to launch in our September subscription boxes, and I'm here to tell you all about it. So hey Rhonda, how you doing? Thanks for saying hello. And so without further ado, let's get into this one because I think this collection that we designed for you guys is gorgeous. And so the title of this month's collection that is only available in our Oiler and Builder subscription boxes is the Essential Oil Dropper. And so we've never done a dropper collection before, and we brought in a brand new product that I think is super cool that I'm going to start out with. I'm going to show you these. We brought in these 10 ml droppers that are made specifically for roller bottles. Super cool. I mean, we all have a bajillion 10 ml roller bottles just all over our house, our car, like, you know, my wife's purse and our oil bags. We have roller bottles everywhere. And so we brought in this brand new product right here that will allow you to turn any 10 ml roller bottle into a dropper. In fact, I'm going to pull one of these right here to kind of show you this one. And you can get a sneak peek of these labels that we designed for you guys. So now you can create a dropper bottle out of any 10 ml roller bottle. These droppers are super cool. And we'll get into this because Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she developed 12 brand new recipes that you're going to be able to use with your 10 ml roller dropper bottles. So super fun. So yes, the Essential Oil Dropper. And I mentioned the recipes, but let me show you the label sheet because I think this label sheet is gorgeous. I'm going to hold this up so everyone can see it. So this is the label sheet that you will get inside of your Oiler and Builder boxes this month. You can see there's 12 labels for your roller bottles, and we also include the lid stickers right here on the bottom. And of course, per usual, all of our recipe sheets and label sheets fit inside of our content management systems. And so, aren't these labels gorgeous? So if you like the look of these labels, leave a comment below. Let us know what you think, because we love to hear from our fans. And so let's get into the Oiler box. So again, the Oiler box is for anyone that uses essential oils. It's great for personal use. We come up with these fun collections to help you learn how to use your essential oils. And so our Oiler box is only $19.95 a month. This Oiler box is valued at around $24. And so right off the bat, you're going to have a huge savings subscribing to one of our amazing subscription boxes. And so inside of the Oiler box this month, you are going to get a dozen of our 10 ml amber bottles because you're going to need these. And of course, you're going to be the first to get our brand new product, which is our droppers for our 10 ml roller bottles. So you're going to get a dozen of these. That way you can make the entire collection. And then we give you everything else you need. Of course, we give you the recipe sheet, which has all the amazing recipes, and the label sheet, because this label sheet is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then we also throw in some freebies just some extras to help you more easily make your blends. We have these tools to help you remove the roller inserts, funnel, pipettes, all these things help you make your essential oil blends. And of course, every single month we throw in a surprise. And so if you're already one of our amazing subscribers, you know that each and every month we throw in just a fun surprise, something super cool. And that's in our oiler box. And so if you are not one of our subscribers, head over to godoilsupplies.com. Subscribe to our oiler box. We have a monthly and an annual subscription, and you can get this brand new collection shipped to you this month. And so let's go over the 12 recipes, and then we're going to get into the builder box for this month. And so Karen has developed this awesome cologne recipe. So we got a cologne recipe. I'm going to hold these up so you guys can see them. Oh, this one is a must if you have long hair, which I don't. We have the split end mender. I'm going to hold these up so you can see them. Split end mender. I know my wife is going to use that one for sure. Eye serum. How beautiful is that label? Eye serum. And then this is kind of a new one that's that I haven't seen a lot of. This one is a cuticle oil for your nails. So if you need an essential oil, cuticle oil, here you go, right here. And then we have a couple other ones. This one I will definitely be using. This one is a beard oil. And then a diffuser blend. You can make your favorite diffuser blend, throw it in here. Just put a couple drops in your diffuser every day. Super easy. You are going to love it. All right. That's the first 6 recipes. Let's go to the other side. So we had a cologne. Of course, we have to have a perfume. Drop that right there on your wrist. This one, massage oil. Everyone needs massage oil. And then we also have some other really cool recipes. Again, like some of these recipes, like I haven't seen them anywhere else. So you guys are going to love these. This one right here is a blemish buster. Really cool recipe. Ouchie Soothe, always a must-have. And then the final 2 recipes that we have. This one is a facial serum. Awesome. Facial serum is great. But this one is actually really cool. And you won't believe me until you try it, but you're going to definitely want to try this one. Toilet drops. What you do with toilet drops is you put a couple drops in your toilet before and helps trap odors. It works super well. It is an awesome recipe that Karen developed. So toilet drops, must have right there. So you get all this stuff in the oiler box. It's only $19.95 a month. Go head over to God Oil Supplies, sign up now. So let's get on to the builder box. Because a lot of people that buy supplies from God Oil Supplies, they're trying to grow an essential oil business. You have make and take classes, DIY classes, and so we're here to give you the supplies that you need to share your essential oils with everyone around you. And so in our builder box, it's only $39.95 a month, and every month it's valued at over $60. And this month it comes in about $65. And so you get $65 worth of essential oil supplies for only $39.95. Great deal if you need a bunch of essential oil supplies. And so what we're going to give you this month in your builder box is you don't get just 1 dozen. We're going to give you 2 dozen of our 10 ml amber roller bottles. And so, of course, since you're getting 24 bottles, we are going to include 24 of our brand new 10 ml droppers for roller bottles. Super cool product. You guys are absolutely going to love these. So 24 bottles, 24 of these. And then, of course, we're going to give you 12 label sheets and 12 recipe sheets. This way you can make tons of samples, share them with your friends, families, neighbors, anyone. You need labels for your samples. And so you're going to get 12 label sheets, 12 recipe sheets. Oh, you know what? I didn't even mention this. We're also including this awesome essential oil bag. So you get one of these in the oiler box and in the builder box. And of course, all this, we give you all the extra tools and the fun surprise. And so this is another great month. So if you are not one of our amazing subscribers, this is a great month to subscribe. Everyone is going to benefit from this brand new collection that we have right here. The Essential Oil Dropper only available in our September subscription boxes. Go pick up an oiler or a builder box at GodOilSupplies.com, and I guarantee you're going to love it. And just remember that we have the best subscription service in the essential oil supply industry. The first month ships free, cancel anytime. You can always update the address so you can share your subscription with people in your team. It's super easy to update your payment information, and so it is just super easy to use. And so do not hesitate to sign up for one of our amazing subscription boxes. And that's all I have for you guys today. I can't believe it's September. I hope everyone has a fantastic month. Stay safe, stay healthy, and head over to God Oil Supplies and pick up one of our new subscription boxes with the Essential Oil Dropper Collection. Until next time, I'm Ryan from God Oil Supplies, again wishing everyone a happy September. Take care. Bye-bye.